In this guide, we'll be talking about how to get rid of carpenter bees using vinegar. This is presented by thepestinformer.com. Before we get into that, we need to talk about what even are carpenter bees. Carpenter bees are a species of bee similar in appearance to bumblebees, but instead of living in a hive with many other bees, carpenter bees are more solitary insects that form nests or tunnels into soft wood such as pine or any untreated wood that might be around your home. Carpenter bees can cause damage to your home and your porch when they begin to drill their way into wood to form these nests or tunnels where they'll look to mate and reproduce. In this guide, we're going to quickly talk about how to prevent and get rid of carpenter bees simply using vinegar. Our solution is very simple, and it consists of just 1 cup of regular white vinegar and 2 cups of water. Depending on the size of your home, you might need to double or triple this recipe, but make sure you keep the ratio the same. Once you have your solution, you'll simply add it to a spray bottle, and then you'll begin to spray this vinegar solution around the outside of your home. Carpenter bees don't like the smell of vinegar, and it's powerful enough to prevent future carpenter bees, as well as get rid of current carpenter bees around your home. You'll want to spray this solution in areas around your home that would be suitable for a carpenter bee to make their nest. This includes areas like your porch, the eaves of your home, the siding of your home, especially if it's located near trees or a forest, wooden fences and gates, or anything else made of wood that carpenter bees might be attracted to. I generally will spray enough solution that the area is damp, but if I'm still noticing carpenter bee activity after a few days, I will simply reapply the solution. Throughout the spring and summer, I'll reapply the solution about once a month to ensure that I'm protected enough when carpenter bees are most active. In my experience, this simple solution of vinegar and water is enough to combat most carpenter bee infestations. If you have a resilient or a major carpenter bee infestation, then this might not be enough to do the trick. If that's the case, then you'll need to use carpenter bee traps, which we'll make a video about shortly. If you want more information about dealing with carpenter bees, please visit our website at thepestinformer.com and read all our other carpenter bee related guides.